Hello friends, I am Mohan Misra from HST Academy, your guide to your learning. Today we are going to discuss about one of the features called Hyperlink. Maybe you will say how Hyperlink can be an important function. Let me explain you. Suppose you're working as an HR or an accountant or as an admin or as a document controller or maybe great professionals. You all are creating lots of documents, lots of files every day. And to store these files, you create many folders every day, right? And when the time comes to locate those files or search those files, we keep on wasting our time in searching those files because it is located in different folders. We might forget in some time, maybe a month, right? So today, as said, with this hyperlink function, we will link all those files and folders in one single, right? So it seems to be interesting, right? So without wasting your time, we'll go ahead to the video. But as said, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here we go. Okay, so friends, today we will see how to link multiple files in a Excel sheet, right? So as discussed earlier, we'll see it's a process of hyperlinking. Normally what we do with the hyperlink process, suppose I have a data called project 1, right? And maybe there is Excel file for this project 1. I want to link this file. So normally what we are following, we go to insert, we click on hyperlink, and then go to this locations wherever your files is. Suppose I'm going to click one file. For example, let's say this, for example, a PowerPoint file. So when I click it OK, and I will get it, and this will be linked, right? This is one option to open a particular file. Okay, but only one option. But suppose you have multiple files, like you can see there is a folder in my desktop file, and I have lots of files there with different file formats. Maybe some are Excel, some are PDF, some are PowerPoint, some are images. Okay, especially for a person who is working in document controls and all these things, these peoples used to create lots of document and link these documents, right? So how to link a multiple files in same so that it will be easy for you to open and search a file, because mostly we keep on searching each and every folder whenever we need it. So let's start how we do that. For that, I'm going to create a new sheet. So for that, we just go there and come to this data option. Under data, we have this new query. Click on it. Click from file. Either you can choose from Excel workbook or from CSV, from Excel or text, one by one, right? Or you can even select an entire folder, right? As you can see, I have entire folder, and in this entire folder, I have total 45 items is there, 45 items. So I want to link these 45 items in one single sheet. How we can do that? So we go to data, new queries, from file, and from folder. Just wait, click on the browse option, go to the locations wherever you have files. So click, I'm just right now in one single folder, I have created all the different files. So you might be having, you can link multiple folders together in one single Excel sheet. It will be easy for you to search, especially I say for the person who is working in admin, document controller. It is very handy tools. Click on OK, click on OK, and it'll ask you to load a file. You just have to load it into this Excel file. Switch on. Now this Excel sheet, like a web queries, workbook queries, will be uploaded here, right? Now you can see I have a file name. All the files which is there in the folders, it's there with their extension, what type of file it is, when I created, when I modified, when all these things. So technically we don't want these details. So I will going to delete it. Now I have a location where actually this exists. So it is in my C drive, user, tech, my username, my desktop files. Okay, normally it is there. What I want, because normally what happen as a link, you can see it here as a link. When you click on the link, okay, when you click on this particular link, you can see that we have a users tech desktop document, and after that there is a document name, right? Document name is there. So I want to add this file name after this link. Okay, so one by one, if you keep on adding, it will take time. So we have a formula called concatenate formula. Okay, we have a formula called concatenate. C-O-N concatenate. Okay, this is the formula that we are going to use. So equal to concatenate, right? Click on the text one, comma, text 2. We don't have to write file extension because in this file, as you can see, already we have a file extension attached. Okay, close the bracket and enter. Now you can see I have a folder, I have a column with the address and the file name, but still it's saying C drive and all these things. Now, as you know, inside a computer, whatever file we are able to access, it has a file server kind of system. Okay, so we need to attach a file. Like you can see here, when I come here, there is an option. The start file, the column, and 3 times backslash. So we are going to add here one more. This one we can add file options, right? So here we have equal. We will add file double column 1 2 3 3 times backslash enter, right? Just click it and double click, let it fill. And one more time, I will use the same concatenate formula one more time. Okay, so that now before this file name, I want to add this file format. Then only I can be able to access my data or files. So equal to one more time concatenate. This time, this is my first text, comma, this is my second text, and close the bracket. Now you can see I have file with their file names. If I click now, it is just a formula. It won't work, right? If it's just a formula, you can see it won't work. So either you can do one thing, you can make one more sheet, okay? And there, come here, you can select these 2 column, copy, come back here and paste it. Okay, so we have this file name and with their extension. Then I will come back, I will copy this column, copy, come back and paste as value, not as formula. If you copy a formula, it won't work. Okay, paste as value. Double click and you can see now my uh, that file is automatically linked. So whatever file you want to open, for example, I want a data format. So double click on the data format. Sorry, I have a cell reference and DB. That's a copy of series. Double click, enter, and now you can be able to open that particular file from here. So one single Excel sheet where we have all the data, let's say format, Excel, any type of file, doesn't matter. Maybe Microsoft Word practice file. So double click, it's a PDF file, enter what type of PDF, you can just open. And it's very, very easy tool, right? Fine. So you can see that all the files is open. It will take some time, sometimes for the PDF, depends upon when we are trying to open it, right? Like that, you can see all the files are open. Only one single time you have to just click it and let it open. Hope you like this video, and it's very informative. It's very handy, very useful for all the people who are working especially in files and managing multiple files, right? So hope and see you for the next video. Thank you.